Welcome to AIStoriMate training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to create AI voiceover. Go to the left menu and click on Create Voiceover. Now you are on Voiceover Creating panel where you can create AI voiceover. Select your language. Choose AI Voice-over Creator out of the option. You can listen any creator before converting. With Cloud Machine Learning, your application interprets images, texts and more. Enter your AI voiceover title. You can choose options from drop-down. Insert your text. Click on Generate Voice. After generating the AI voiceover, you are redirected on AI voiceover listing page, where you can play your AI voiceover. Nature, in the broadest sense, is the physical world or universe. Nature can refer to the phenomena of the physical. You can download AI voiceover into your device. You can delete the AI voiceover. Thanks for watching the video.